Coyote makes cooking on your outdoor grill even more enjoyable with their innovative accessories. The one I'm going to show you today is the Griddle. Now, the Griddle is something that I absolutely love, and it's so easy to install, it'll have you using it again and again. The first thing that you notice when you look at the Griddle is that jeweled surface. It's a beautiful surface that after use and seasoning becomes almost non-stick. Now, installation is this simple. First of all, I reach in and remove one of the standard grates. I'll just tuck that away. And then I've got, in this case, two of the heating grids that I'm going to remove. Now, depending on the size of your grill, you may have to remove one or more of the heating grids. Then installation of the Griddle is as simple as putting it in place. Now, the Griddle is something that, for me as a professional chef, I need to have in the outdoor kitchen. There's so many things I want to do outdoors that I just can't do over a standard grate. It's very difficult to fry an egg or make a pancake on a standard grate. But with the Griddle, I can do bacon, sausage, I can do pancakes, I can do fried eggs, I can do delicate vegetables. And if I want to saute and don't have a side burner, this surface, well, if I want to do like a 50s style diner burger, I can do them on the Griddle top as well. The best part is all of the grease and the mess is collected in the dripping tray. Now, that grease trap is important because it's 304 stainless, just like all the construction of this Griddle, and it allows you to clean up quickly. It allows you to install it quickly, and for taking it out after it cools, just simply remove, give it a quick cleanup, and tuck it away. For this and many other accessories at Coyote, just visit coyoteoutdoor.com.